Hi guys, it's Rebecca from LW Society. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 lash maps we use in my award-winning salon. I've also included a free PDF for you to download, which has them all written down, and a template if you want to increase the lengths to suit your salon or your clientele. The link is in the description below. So, first of all, we have natural. Natural is a short style with a gradual increase in length. For my clients, we use 6, 7, 8 and 9s. You can use longer lengths if that's what your clients prefer. You can edit them in your free template. Then we have dull. Dull is a gradual increase in length which really opens up the whole eye. For my clients, we use 6, 7s, 8, 9 and 10s. As always, you can use longer lengths on your template. Then we have round. Round is a gradual increase in length with the longest lengths in the centre and then a gradual decrease. This really opens up the centre of the client's eye. In my salon, we use 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Don't worry if you don't have time to write these down, I have them all for you in the link below. And if you're enjoying our video, please hit like and subscribe, it really means the world to us. Next up is Kitten. Kitten is a slow, gradual increase in length with the longest lengths towards the ends. It is 10 times better than cat eye as it stops the lashes drooping. In the salon, we use 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8. Then we have Squirrel. Squirrel is a gradual increase in length with the longest lengths at the arch of where the eyebrow is. For squirrels, we use 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8. Now I really hope you've enjoyed this video. We also have our own shop which produces the most beautiful lash products, and all of our lashes are buy free get one free, and so are our tweezers. So come check it out. Have a great day guys.